SMART goals are a great way of making sure you follow through on your financial aspirations. With SMART goals, you can not only make a specific goal, but with SMART goals, it will help you obtain that goal. Hi, I'm Lander from Innovative Changes, and I'm here to talk to you about SMART goals. SMART is an acronym. SMART, specific. Be specific about what you want to save for or how much you want to save for. Measurable. What steps each day, week, or month are you going to take to reach your goal? Obtainable. In which areas are you specifically going to cut back in? Realistic. Are you sure this is something that you can achieve? Last but not least, time sensitive. How long will it take you to reach your goal? The most important part in creating your SMART goal is writing it down and sharing it with friends. Studies show people who write their goals down are more likely to achieve them. Don't let your financial goals pass you by. Be proactive and make your goal a SMART goal. This message is brought to you by the Multnomah County Library. For more information, please visit your local library or visit us at www.innovativechanges.org.